Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus VSCode versus Windsurf. We're diving into a truly unique comparison today, exploring which option is better across vastly different domains. Whether you're a developer seeking peak coding efficiency or an adventurer craving the open water, we'll help you navigate these choices. We'll look at their core functions, user experience, and the distinct advantages each brings to the table, helping you decide what truly suits your needs best. When it comes to coding, Cursor and VSCode stand out as powerful contenders. VSCode, with its extensive marketplace boasting over 40,000 extensions, offers unparalleled flexibility and a massive community. Cursor, on the other hand, integrates cutting-edge artificial intelligence directly into your workflow, providing intelligent code generation and debugging assistance. Both are designed to boost productivity for developers, handling everything from small scripts to large-scale enterprise applications with ease. Now, let's shift gears entirely to windsurf, an activity that offers a completely different kind of better. This dynamic water sport combines the grace of sailing with the thrill of surfing, providing an incredible full-body workout. Imagine harnessing the power of the wind, gliding across the water at speeds potentially exceeding 30 knots. It's an investment in adventure, requiring specialized gear and a commitment to mastering the elements, but the rewards in terms of physical fitness and mental well-being are immense. So, which is truly better? The answer, as you might expect, depends entirely on your objectives. If your goal is to write code efficiently, Cursor or VS Code are your champions, offering tools to build the future. If your passion lies in conquering waves and feeling the wind, windsurf is undeniably superior for that purpose. There's no single winner across such diverse categories. Instead, the best choice is the one that aligns perfectly with your aspirations, whether they're digital or aquatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.